Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Muhammad Ashraf Imtiaz, Pride of Performance, Distinguished National Professor, Fellow Third World Academy of Sciences, and Dean Faculty of Sciences. Respected resource persons, Dr. Haji Muhammad Akram, Deputy Director in VAST, Dr. Muhammad Maqsood, Head Academics in VAST, guests from NIAB, NIBG, Peenam, GC University, Postgraduate College of Faisalabad, and Government College for Women, Medina Town. Deans, Directors, Chairpersons, participants, fellow faculty members, students, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Dr. Yasir Jameel has already introduced the purpose of today's celebration. Today I add my share in introducing, giving a brief review of our department. "50 years ago, in the year 1961, the Department of Physics was established, and 1961 is the year when this university was also established. Therefore, the University of Agriculture Faisalabad is celebrated its Golden Jubilee, and in a disguise, the Department of Physics is also celebrating its Golden Jubilee. Initially, it was instituted to teach courses to the undergrad students of agriculture engineering. It continued until 1979. Meanwhile, the department was also teaching FSC pre-agriculture classes of the University of Agriculture Faisalabad. After the establishment of Faculty of Sciences, postgraduate teaching in the Department of Physics was initiated in 1979. The initiation of MSc in Physics at UAF was a great opportunity for local academic community and knowledge seekers to improve their qualifications. This program continued successfully. There has been a continuous increase in the number of students. To earn degree from UAF, research was mandatory, which is still the same. This degree opened the door of research in the department. The research at the department was initiated in the applied fields directly related to agriculture. In the first instance, bioelectromagnetics was chosen as one of the fields. The second field was direct use of solar energy for agriculture purposes. The third field chosen was environmental pollution. In the field of bioelectromagnetics, magnetic field stimulator was developed in the department in the early 70s. With this magnetic device, the experiments of exposing seeds to magnetic fields of different strengths for various crops was initiated, and after that, when the seed was exposed to magnetic fields, then it was sown at the laboratory level, and the germination rate and growth and leaves and other thing was tested in the laboratory, and also then in the fields. This field is still going on, and Mr. Ziaul Haq is actually the person now who is working in this field. In the field of solar energy, a variety of solar gadgets, namely solar concentrators, dehydrators, desalinators, solar stills, solar ovens, steam cookers, and steam generators were developed. And this field of study is still going on in the department. In the field of environment pollution, the students on air and air pollution, the studies on air and air pollution were initiated, and this field is also still in progress. The research in these areas was a cumulative effect of the entire academic staff of the department of that time. Promising results in each area of research were achieved and were published in various journals of national review. The postgraduates in physics have an edge over their contemporaries due to their expertise in conducting research. This research exposure of the physics graduates of UAF provided opportunity for them to join elite research institutions of the country. On the top were the institutions run by the Atomic Energy Commission. There has been a continuous increase in the number of students and research activities in the department since its birth. Meanwhile, 3 faculty members of the department went abroad for higher studies and earned degrees from USA and UK. Surely, with these foreign qualified faculty, the teaching and research standards of the department were elevated. Then comes the year 1997. This was the year when MPhil program in the department was initiated. Until now, the department is running both MSc and MPhil programs successfully. However, the department intends to excel in academics further than MSc and MPhil programs. The vision of this department is to have teaching programs which attract students locally and internationally, and this year the department is having one international student in MPhil. Research programs which are internationally competitive and locally relevant. A high number of publications in the high-ranking journals, mean high-impact factor journals. International acknowledgement as physics department at UAF. The mission of the department is to produce physics graduates with sound knowledge of basics and applied physics, having ability and skills to understand and tackle the research problems in the advanced areas of science and technology. Increase in the number of postgraduates while maintaining high standards. Attract more local and international postgraduate students. Increase the research output in the form of technology and publications. Attract, hopefully, in coming times, international researchers and promising doctoral scholars. Until now, the successful students who earned their master's NFL program, 562 masters and 128 MPhil. They has got their degrees. And present enrollment is 90 in MSc and 70 in MPhil. And we are hoping in this current semester, 20 plus 20, mean 20 is on regular and 20 is for this self-finance program in MSc and 25 in MPhil. Total strength at the department is now 160, and we are expecting 90 more in the department during this semester. Achievements of the graduates of the department are now as this. 9 graduates have won HEC overseas scholarships. 4 graduates have won Abdul Qadir Khan Science Award. 1 female student has been selected as a runner. This is an event of athletics at national level. A number of graduates were working at PAC, NESCOM, NDC, KRL, etc. A significant number of students have been absorbed in education departments locally and abroad. And in this galaxy, I am seeing a number of my former students. Now they are assistant professors, lecturers here. This is also the contribution of the department. The graduates produced by the department have shown excellence by doing PhDs in local and foreign universities. Dr. Nasser Amin and Dr. Yasser Jameel is also the product of our department, and I will also. These all are the human resource and assets of the department. They continuously provide the feedback for the well-being and uplift in teaching and research. Dr. Maqsood, a source person of today's session, is one such example. Academic program of the department. The academic teaching program of the department strives to give students a broad-based knowledge of physics. The structure and contents of graduate courses are as recommended by Higher Education Commission. The MPhil courses continues with this philosophy, but introduces more specialty courses like material science, laser spectroscopy. The existing research projects running in the department offered to the MPhil students have potential to lead them to PhD studies. At present, in the crew of our department, we have 14 members. Out of these 14, 4 are our PhD doctors, 1 is foreign qualified, and 3 is locally trained PhD doctors, and that the department feels itself that it is fully equipped according to the requirements of the HEC to initiate the next higher PhD degree in the department with this skill. Research programs of the department. Recently, one professor, Dr. Abdul Ghaffar, has started theoretical research in the field of electromagnetics, and most of the other researchers, they are doing their applied research, and which is experimental nature. And this is an applied radiation in dosimetric studies, laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy studies, and the use of lasers for improvement in the growth of agricultural products, development of new magnetic materials, environmental pollution, direct use of sun's energy, and bioelectromagnetics. Laboratory facilities are present: magnetostatics lab, laser spectroscopy lab, magnetic materials lab, bioelectromagnetism lab, and applied physics lab, electronics lab. All these labs are established, and the department is running successfully the research related to the MPhil and master students, and these researchers are mature enough to continue their leadership for the next higher degrees. Awards and honors won by the faculty. One faculty member has won 3 bronze medals in the Innovation and Invention Competition in Malaysia, 2 first prizes in Hiroshima Nagasaki International Science Competition in Malaysia, a Research Productivity Award, Better Incentive from UAF, Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan Science Award and Gold Medal, Gold Medal from Pakistan Academy of Science, Productive Scientist of Pakistan, scholarships and fellowships for PhD and postdoc, HEC approved supervisors. Total impact factor of the department during the past 5 years since 2007 is developed, and at present is more than 85. Citation is more than 250. Research activities, research projects completed until now 2, ongoing 5, submitted 5. Major technologies developed: laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy for quantitative analysis of solids, synthesis of ferrites using ball milling and co-precipitation technique, direct utilization of sun's energy, pre-sowing bioelectromagnetic treatment of seeds, dosimetric studies on commercial dyes. Linkage with the industry and organization at national and international level. No department, no institution can run by its own alone. The department gets strength by the getting collaboration with the other institutions and organization. Therefore, the department is not behind this philosophy. The department has collaboration at national and international level. At national level, the department has collaboration with NIPG Faisalabad, NIAB Faisalabad, PNM Faisalabad, GC University Faisalabad, University of Engineering and Technology Lahore, ComSats Islamabad, KRL Islamabad, PAEC Islamabad, NINVAST Islamabad, Department of Physics, Qadir University Islamabad, Bahauddin Zikriya University Multan, Islamia University Bahawalpur, Government College University Lahore, and Government College University Faisalabad. At international level, Department of Physics has collaboration with University Putra Malaysia, Malaysia Nuclear Agency Kajang Selangor Malaysia, and University of California San Diego USA. The department has its future plan to initiate PhD program in physics, and we hope this will happen. Thank you very much.